Usay ayo choy.
Ha?
Usay
May
ayo
ayo lagi.
So today we will be taking you to a journey, a river trekking and hiking adventure from Barangay Budlaan
Dili
all the
dili na
way
siya fake
to
amon ka
Kanir
lahat to yung
campsite
i-mention
in
nga fake.
Sirao. Approximately with a distance of 7 to 8 kilometers, that's one way, and an elevation gain of 500 to 600 meters above
Dire
sea
padol
level.
padol mo padol mo.
Tawa mo di ganito ko ani ano.
Dire ra ba to katong gi-rescue. So mo ni siya ano nang mo ni gamiton papilit sa
What makes this hike quite unique is that along our walks, we try to identify as many plants and animal species we find along the trail. This is part of the biodiversity
kanang
walk
taas,
class we
taas.
conduct under SOSC or Survival and Outdoor Skills Cebu.com.
Dili na behind.
sa Tamil Indians mo na sila gamiton og kana.
Prior to this hike, we did a quick orientation for the whole team, planning and preparation for the trails we are about to take. We check everyone's equipment, which includes their clothing, hiking shoes, food and hydration, and other essential hiking gears for this activity.
Ayay ka. Agdas gyud. Dili ka nang na sige pislit. Di na noon mo. Asa dali na ko.
We started off by climbing and descending on huge boulders in Budlaan. Due to the El Nino, the water levels in both Budlaan and Butuanan River is actually low, making the hike less challenging and was actually an advantage for the team.
Nang green ang mga sapa no. Tumus ka init ba?
Right ano sir?
Ha?
Left.
Left ah.
We had quite a few stops, and for each stop, we discussed about trees and the importance of biodiversity. The discussions also gave everyone enough time to catch up with their breaths and regain muscle strength through proper hydration
Okay ra?
and having their trail snacks.
Kuha pa sila Dexter?
Matud pa sa usa ka naturalist E.O. Wilson, you can spend a Magellanic journey around the stump of a single tree trunk. So if you know how to look and you know where to look, then you could greatly appreciate what is around you. So
Upon arriving in Tinisig Uwang Falls, my co-instructor Bon presented a few photos of some of the commonly found birds and animals in Cebu, which includes the natives and migratory species.
Itong puti, ang isa kay pay bush chat, ang isa kay magpay robin. Muna siya magpay robin. It's a songbird. May kani muna siya ang ubiquitous or widely spread nga sunbird. This is the olive back sunbird. Male ni siya.
Metal, ikaw ano? AI.
Yung live namin.
Hindi, okay na siya. Beginner friendly na siya, sir.
Starbucks ra.
Ana, picture tadi. Gih, labang, labang. Labang. Labang aja. Pwede na maliguan. Di lang tayo mga ligo ron. Okay. Practice man reclaiming emoji. Usay ayo coy.
Ha?
Usay ayo
lagi. Nanay boss.
Muna nga, pag-confirm na to kung mo ba na si welding sa Philippine Hysteria. Doon na
Ito na right. Unsa ko sa Philippine Hysteria de?
Ang taplin na may kong ibutangan sa kong siblings.
Ato sa taagyan na lang gagian. Wala kitong galago.
Sana na nakatango.
Na traffic man.
Adi sa tabo. Wala ko sa pwede ra sa
After enjoying the river trails, the rain started to pour down, just how we expected it through the weather forecast we did a few days prior to our hike. Constantly checking the weather is very important for these types of activities, especially in areas where flash floods are imminent and severe.
Gadagi check payong. Pabor gyud kini siya.
Though the team has fully prepared and has laid out contingency plans, we made sure that everyone is already out of the rivers before the rain started pouring. We had our lunch in Barangay Malubog and decided to wait for the rain to stop before we continue on with the hike. This cost us a 1 to 2 hour delay in our itinerary but was worth it for everyone's safety and convenience.
Ang problema ay ang motor. Layo ay balikon nun.
katut, mountain na katut.
Nawa mo buyog.
Ha?
Carpenter ba?
Oh.
Hadlok man. Sakit na ba mga ka na eh.
When the rain finally stopped, we started ascending our way to Kanira campsite.
Paaram ka bon.
Ha?
Paaram ka. Glukid diyo no. Tinaghan na bunga.
Munga ka itong kuwan sa? Katong ligas ba?
Aligas, amot lang.
Iba insik.
Ito na siya, glukid diyon. Glukid diyon, kani sapo. Kani. Kana. So instant shoelace na siya, magkuha mo bark ana, ni imong tanggalon.
Okay, lisod man yung uban himo.
Gahi kina.
Mas triang.
Oh,
Mo na yung
mo na imong gas stress carbon.
morning
Tagapas.
kuha na higot.
Apil na siya sa kanang currency. Kwarta na to. Apil na siya. Yang fiber mo na ligon kayang kwarta.
The rain has made the hike more challenging since we are about to walk on wet and muddy terrain. The type of soil in Malubog to Sirao is a mixture of clay and lime. So when it rains, it turns the trails very slippery with heavy mud sticking onto your shoes for each step you take. However, due to the team's persistence, we still managed to reach our goal on time, which is in Kanira campsite.
Tiray.
There we stopped for at least 30 minutes, had a few snacks and drinks before finally heading back to Malubog, which is our exit point.
Puro naman ganun. Kisa to, titing, ting, okay ra ni ting.
Pun.
Murder ba ni katiting ang pisto niyang gikuan? Ayan eh.
Ay kanay tindahan.
Gabiho.
Gilungkab ba namang tindahan dito sa kuon? Ano ko ila naglungkab ano mga taga diha ra.
Gilungkab
Masindot sa Talinis kumpara sa Mandalagan kay
Lagi.
tigan kay limatok ang tugod.
Problema sa dito inig tinguan no. Ang campsite ba?
Oh.
Uli na may.
Karan gipa-event ron karang na free lechon.
Oh.
Oh sus.
Hindi kaya pun free.
Kay guman sa club nila free lechon.
Gadahom ko ganiha ba glukid diyon ni. Nya na apoy namungas at bang. O glukid diyon gyapon ni siya.
Lukid yun, pero lahin na siya nga.
No, gagmay lang siya nga variety. Mura sa chaglis ko ang bunga sa banato oh, no? Pamilyar mo banato?
Lukid yun na.
No? Imo lagi tilawan lagi. Idipol ra ba na kausar ra ba na.
Nikaon sa ko ni ganiha.
Kamo ka ganiha? O sila sa?
Observe lang sa
Upload man.
Unahan sila kanta-kanta dito eh.
dito. Dason lang tani para kuan.
Arin lang ta? Anak lang ta?
Nahin kamay.
Agi to tong kuan dito eh. Bangkal.
Katong itagad ba? Diri.
Oh.
Tataagi.
Ay laroy.
Dili. Diri.
Alahi.
Kana katong
Oo. Oh.
Tung nagitaw ka jet ba?
Uli na may. Man na may kapoy-kapoy. Asa gitong bahay bon? Tunay bahay ba? Di ba ba no?
Try.
Wala na gito ka pamungag balik no?
Sige to pamungay. Wala kita rin wakanto dito
Ah, mao. Balik day no? Kita may anak balik. Sige to siya pamungag yun. Pero ano guna sa itong giplat din no?
And after successfully sending our participants to their transportations back to the city, Bon and I continued hiking and night trekking our way back to Budlaan, completing the entire loop since I parked my motorcycle there at our jump-off area. Thank you again for watching. Please consider subscribing to my channel and see you again for other future outdoor adventures.